In the high seas of the Pacific Ocean, under the cloak of a rising dawn, the state-of-the-art military trimaran cuts through the waves with unmatched precision and purpose. This vessel, a technological marvel weighing 20,000 tons, is designed specifically to handle the pressures and demands of amphibious combat operations. Its three-hull design allows it to glide with increased speed and a remarkable balance, offering not only enhanced stability, but a greater load capacity than traditional naval warships. Above the trimaran, a flight deck comes to life as it activates to launch and retrieve unmanned aerial drones. These drones, silent and swift, soar into the sky, their high-resolution cameras capturing and streaming real-time reconnaissance data back to the vessel. Whether day or night, these aerial guardians provide critical air support, creating an invisible network that holds vigilance over land and sea. Inside the trimaran's immense bays, hidden within the confines of advanced technology, lie the Swordfins. These amphibious assault robots represent the pinnacle of military robotics, capable of unparalleled agility in both liquid and terrestrial environments. Resembling a melding of nature's stealth and man's innovation, the Swordfins are crafted for both stealth and impact. With AI-enabled navigation systems, these robots maneuver through the churning waters seamlessly before advancing onto hostile shores. Their adaptive weaponry is multifaceted, suitable for any terrain they encounter. Advanced targeting modules embedded in each unit ensure precision, even in the most challenging conditions. The Swordfin's armor plating glistens in the dim light, impenetrable and formidable. The mission: to secure strategic points along an isolated coastline. As the trimaran approaches, the Swordfins deploy like a synchronized ballet, executing training and precision honed over countless missions. They crash into the surf, propelling through the water with the natural grace of a shark. Once ashore, their transformation is seamless. What were once underwater navigators now become terrestrial warriors, traversing rocky shores and dense underbrush with ease. Their mission has begun: to infiltrate, secure, and hold until human forces arrive. AI systems communicate with aerial drones, unit cohesion maintained through an intricate web of technology and command. The Swordfins, with their almost artificial sentience, adapt and overcome every obstacle in their path. Their internal processors analyze environmental data continuously, adjusting tactics on the fly. They engage hostiles with precision, utilizing adaptable weapon systems that adjust for both crowd control and precision strikes. In the control room of the trimaran, a team of military operatives monitors the entire operation. Real-time data streams flood screens reflecting the synchronized dance of machines and technology. Each Swordfin, although autonomous, relies on the strategically driven coordination of its human commanders. As dawn fully breaks, the mission draws to a successful conclusion. The coastline is secured, and the Swordfins retreat back to their mothership under the watchful eyes of the drones above. This video captures a glimpse into the future of warfare, where human ingenuity and advanced robotics make for formidable force multipliers in amphibious operations. With the line between machine and command blurring, these operations not only reshape strategic thinking but redefine the very possibilities of military engagements. The state-of-the-art trimaran stands testament to mankind's relentless drive towards innovation, safeguarding our future with a blend of speed, intelligence, and adaptability.